All right, Mom. Are you ready for tonight?
Well, that's how you should start with the video. You doing this with the M and...
Are you ready for tonight? This is the start.
Oh.
We start very naturally.
We start natural.
Yeah, we're keeping it natural.
Okay. You go live?
Yeah, we don't do no setting up. We'll see what we can get into tonight. See what we can get into. Like what's going on.
Bye.
Bye, guys. All right.
Yeah, I'm excited.
We do have one race lined up, Mom, tonight with my friend. So we're doing one race tonight. But races get views. I guess we're gonna call this taking Mom to the car meet. Hopefully there's some nice cars. What the fuck? No. Yeah, bro. We're big time now. Simply Damien's going big. We got that POV driving now. All right, Mom. Welcome to the car meet. Oh yeah, look who's back. Holy fuck, it's AMG Gabe. It's AMG Gabe, it's AMG Gabe. Damn, what are you doing all drippy? Alright. Oh shit.
What's up, boys?
What's up, man? Is this a Hellcat? So, how do you feel so far, Mom?
Oh, I'm trying to...
T-shirt to do it right now?
Yeah, no, donuts.
Donuts, whatever.
Because she wants to learn.
Take her to the where we took pictures.
I know, that's how I'm going.
Just move over.
She's
I'm scared that like the car is gonna flip. I don't know why.
Nah, it'll just spin.
You might get like a check engine, but we're good. We can save it. What the fuck? Wait a second. So, how do you feel so far? How do you feel about this car? How do you feel about this car?
I like this car.
It's nice, right? Which one?
The 17 one.
That's Orien's, it's my friend's. You can get a ride in that if you want. Oh yeah.
How you been, bro?
Yeah, we're vlogging. You want to like show off your car?
You can show
What's done to it? What's done to it?
Let's
What's done to it?
So it's a 440i with a body kit.
She loves
Full wrap? Hi.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, it's fully wrapped.
Yeah.
Oh, let me open it. I want to show the steering wheel.
Of course, it has a red interior.
Go sit in there, Mom. Sit in it.
Yeah, it's small.
Oh wow! Oh, I like the seats.
Yeah.
Oh wow! Really cool.
You like the wheel?
Yeah.
Put your flashlight on. Look at the wheel. That's fine. I just wanted to see it.
Oh wow!
That's what I gotta get.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know.
Oh man,
Yeah.
Let's see if he does a wrong
this is
answer.
really nice, really nice.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. What's the YouTube channel?
Simply Damien. Come on, we've been doing this. Yeah, that's what it is.
I love it.
Yeah. You gotta give her a ride in this.
I got you.
Because she likes Benzes. So.
You wanna go right now?
Yeah.
Get a ride in it. Go.
Yeah.
Record it too.
What?
Record on your phone.
My name?
Are you ready?
Yeah. Where's he plugging?
He's plugging into the wheel lights up.
Oh.
Good luck. Make sure you got it. Oh God.
Car, dumbass. How we doing?
What's up, man?
Why did you say it?
What's up, man? All right, hold on. My mom's got a ride. Hold up. How was it?
Amazing.
How fast is it?
Oh. 120 he hit. Yeah. Yeah, but you're not like, he doesn't move.
It's
It's
fast,
like
right?
stuck to the ground. Amazing.
Bro, the first time I ever got a ride in this was in the trunk.
Bro, I took her going like almost 130 and I forgot my radar was unplugged.
Done.
Oh no, is he pulling up?
It's on, so.
Oh, it's on?
It's on.
Wait, so it's vlogging this way?
Yeah, it's vlogging.
Okay. Alright, what's up YouTube? Today we're gonna be checking out the slowest cars at the meet. First up, 440i. It's a fake M badge.
Don't insult my fucking 440.
He painted it titanium. Fake headlights off Temu.
Yeah, show him the downforce.
Oh, the downforce? Let me show you guys the downforce. So this right here is a fake carbon fiber downforce. Straight out DH gate.
You not record the G37?
Yes, bro, that's what I said.
Bro, fuck that shit. Bro, that shit was slow.
We're going to Rod. Let's go, Lorenzo.
Precision Rageworks, stage 2.5 low pressure. So both stage 2 fuel pumps.
You just spin, that might be your problem when we race. If you don't spin though, I think you got it. Oh my God, it just spins non-stop. Yeah, I know. Holy fuck. Yeah, fuck that. Yeah, okay, bro. No, but dude, the top end, it just keeps on pulling. Wow, look at that though. Holy damn.
And when I'm on a trains tune, dude, it'll be even better. See on the camera.
Is this your street life?
Street life?
Yeah, there was two wide body Hellcats and an M3 pulled over on the side of the road.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh yeah, for sure, bro. No, you got it. Yo, Gabe, race up, Gabe. Who? is what they do, right? 13, 20 videos, right?
Yeah.
But you gotta get in the car and race.
Excuse
I think
me.
Damien would
Excuse
get
me, I'm coming through.
Oh, okay.
There's a camera, I'm coming through.
Oh, sorry, sir. Everyone clear the area. You have to
See
get
the
a shot.
see the carbonator is hooked up to the alternator.
That's a big combinator right there. I'll tell you what.
I think my downpipe tune 135, right?
How much is it makes?
920.
920.
The water was never open.
I want to get a ride on it, but at the same time I don't want to throw up and shit my pants. So.
Don't do a burnout.
Do something cool.
Something cool. Crash. Too slow, man.
What'd you got?
Yeah, dude, that shit's dead.
Call him out, call him out.
That shit's dead. Tell him to come back. We'll race it.
Right, you got this, right?
Dude, from a dig to 20.
The blue one? Yeah. Who is he?
Asim!
Yo.
What's your push?
Hey, he said you slow. Like 550.
He called you a bitch.
He said you slow.
I mean, I'm on my stock file because I just got it back from the accident.
Bro, you crashed it?
Worked in ballet and drunk driving.
Oh. Fuck it, let's just do it and find out what
So
happened.
I don't have I have no downpipe, so I have nothing on besides just stock file.
That fuck.
What do you want? What roll?
50 or 60?
Where'd you
Oh,
afford
nah,
it?
that means he pushes power.
My boost bill is like too much. I can't bill it.
50. Yo, what card did you get?
Bro, 40 is like
M3.
I can't use the M3. That big pushing power.
If I'm in third is the slowest. Like, my car will go the slowest. Out of all gears.
Go for it. We'll try it.
Alright. You want to try 40?
Oh yeah, reason.
Try 40.
I'm down. I'm on stock file.
Alright, let's go that way.
Head north.
Running that way.
So that
Pull out of here, turn around, and then we
went away. And then you guys know. Damien, pull out that video. Hey! Wandale Dingo ass.
Yo, can you follow them so I can record? I'll give you $5.
I'll be camera phone. What?
Can you follow them so I can record? I'll give you $5.
I think Armani's driving.
Hold on, do you want to take Joey?
Is Armani driving?
Take Joey's in the
Fuck no, he's in the car. Yo, Joey, let me take that mate. Let me take that mate.
follow, to follow. Yeah, look at that. Look at
Alright,
that.
I'll be back.
That means he has to be in the front.
Okay. Hold on a second. Let's go, let's go.
No, that way.
Over there.
I'll.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I said. Oh, I forgot.
Give me a second.
How many people are
What the fuck? Am I going in his or what am I doing? Yeah, nah, fuck that. Get in this. Yeah, this is a fun car. Fucking this. Oh, we got bucket seats in here too?
Alright, so how's mango tree?
Oh, we
How's mango?
Christ. Who is that?
That's
Mercedes.
That's Ari.
Oh. Alright, can we get race predictions?
Yo, let's just get walked. Honestly.
Okay, so wait, what's done to the...
Alright, so
Well, I'm gonna bleep all this out.
The F80 has a pin crank hub. It has downpipes. It's making around 670 wheel.
No, it's like 600 wheel. Like 600.
So wait, is downpipe tune what, intake?
Downpipe
Downpipe tune on E.
Whatever you do, just stay ahead of yours.
Oh yeah.
Well, there's fucking like,
yeah.
there's hella
Bro,
trash.
Get away from the
this shit's
traffic.
like condensed milk, bro. Hella condensed.
I don't really know.
Jesus!
Oh yeah, this is
It ain't a
in front of the Urus.
My God. The understeers.
Alright.
We gotta get a good video.
Oh, don't worry about that.
We're about to catch up to the GT.
We're pulling.
Well, we shit on the Urus.
Yeah, we did.
But I mean, Gabe's in there, so I don't really know.
Holy shit, you got enough people in that shit?
Holy fuck,
we're packed to the brim.
Post-race interview.
Joey,
How'd you feel
no
about
fucking lie. If it was just me and the Urus, I would have gapped both their shit.
I don't know.
I swear to God. I swear to God.
Yo, you didn't just gap.
Post-race interview.
That was good. It was good.
How you feel about that?
I'm gonna send this. I'll send
It was good.
Overall good? Alright.
Waste of gas. This is like
That's okay.
when you have to blur out the face.
I know, right?
Oh? No. You won. Okay,
Everyone.
okay, I was right.
He was right. I think she was right.
That is not what he said it was. It was close.
No, it wasn't. You got me.
Yeah.
Nah, you had me by a bit. I ain't gonna lie.
Dude, the whole 40 was
Whoever said it was not close.
What is that?
That was a good race, but it wasn't.
Were you guys all on the Urus?
Yeah, we were on the Urus.
Oh my god.
And we were following like.
No lie, Damien. If it was just me and the Urus, I would have gapped that GTS too.
The GTS? Really?
Baby.
Well, we were catching up.
Bro, look at that gap.
Look, we were.
He put the hazards on?
He put it on as soon as it started.
He put it when it started, bro.
Yeah, now the M3 should reverse the Mustang.
Alright, dude.
Let me go grab the MC20.
Yeah, get the MC20 really.
Yeah, let me go grab the MC20. I'll be right back.
And yeah, you have the heavy ass wheel.
Oh, this is Sophia. Thank you.
Is this Damien's camera?
Yeah, can you come with me?
Why?
But alright. You're wasting all my batteries.
I got you, Damien. I missed it, Damien. Do it again. Come on. He has 2 million followers. You know this. You knew this. You knew this.
Stop.
Go again. Go. No.
I
Go.
will hit you.
Alright. What the fuck? I gotta oh my god. Guys, this may be the last time you ever see me. This may be the last time I'm ever here.
I'm gonna follow you.
Yeah, I don't care. I'll take people for rides. We're gonna spin a lot.
Yeah, we are.
We're gonna spin a lot in second gear, my guys.
Yes, we
I
are.
don't even know if I'll be able to use second gear.
Yeah, this might be a third gear.
It's kind of cold. Try second. There's no bumps over here, right?
No. I don't think so.
It's fun, but I just stayed in it. I was like,
No, that was fun. It wasn't that bad though. It didn't spin as bad as I thought it was.
because it's very smooth.
Yeah.
It's not very, like, as the RPMs, it's more and more and more power.
That's what I was
so
shocked about. It's really
Keeps
smooth.
falling on top.
Yeah, it does. That was sick.
70. It's cold out, so I don't want to do it great.
Where are they going? What are they doing?
Just talking.
So where are we going now?
Oh my god, dude, he spins like crazy. Did you say something? Yeah, so he has upgraded turbos. So he's fast. That was good though. I don't push it on these streets because there's cops here. So I'm not.
You need a radar.
I know. That was so good.
Oh yeah.
You have the good radar?
Yeah.
Were you gonna pass me?
Yeah.
Fuck.